another beautiful day, and it's hot, but not extraordinarily hot. So I guess I'll walk and do a little search. I've hit this area multiple times, but considering my time restrictions, it's my only real choice to get any detecting done today. So hopefully something will turn up. If not, I have the weekend ahead, so we'll see what happens. Very trashy area, so I'm going to turn up my threshold. ID filter. Around here, I'm just going to turn it up. There's so much junk here. I'm just going to turn it up to 50. It sounds pretty good, but the numbers are a little weird, so see if we can find something here. Yep, just a bottle cap. Guys, this sounds like a quarter, but oh, I hope it's something silver. It's just a quarter, but whew, quarter's nice in a day like this. Alright, I can't say I had to dig this, but it is a detector assisted find here. It is a quarter that's just beginning to work its way into the earth, so two nice quarters here back to back. That's pretty good. Could be a dime. Oh, I think I can almost see it here. Is this it? Yeah, it is a dime. Cool. Found a little nest under these trees here. That's about 5 yards and 3 or 4 coins. Well, guys, this might not be a profitable day, but at least it appears that I've hit a little nest that's going to make it not look horrible. Looks like we might have something else here. Come on here. Just a quarter, but whoa, that's nice. That's about 5-10 yards and 3 quarters and a dime. Went from a horrible short lunch hunt to a tolerable short lunch hunt, just like that. There's a buttload of cans out here, but that's too small to be a full-size can, so I'll take a look. Should not be that deep. Yeah, it is a can. Not quite on a horizontal, but a can lid. I've never found this before. It looks like a ring on the surface. It's a kid's ring, but it's a ring. It's cool. India? Okay. Well, I got a detector assisted find here. Thought I'd show it because it's going to be very shiny among my roundup later. So I want everybody to make sure. Oh, there's more than one there. We've had a little surface spill here. Only 2 coins. a dime, and a quarter. I want to make sure everybody see these shiny coins. Well, one of these days, and some of this stuff might be real, but I got another little target. Sounded a little big, and it's a little bracelet, junk bracelet, but getting closer and closer to the real thing.